How's it, guys? Reason why we're here today is I want to show you how do you massively increase the value of your property at the same time getting good rental that increases the bottom line, which is the cash flow. In essence, the property was originally making us 7,500. Once we've done with this project, it's going to cost us 80,000 rent, and when we're done, our total rental should be sitting at 17,500. The issues we had with that is that there was a concentration risk in terms if the tenant doesn't pay, then you don't have money at all to pay the bank. Then we need to take money from other portfolio or other businesses to pay our bank, and we don't run business like that. We've just realized that the market here is not ready for one person paying a rental of 6,000 or 7,500. So what we've done here is now we're here to remodel this property. So basically, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, dining, lounge, a kitchen, separate kitchen type of property, right? As here, what we're seeing here is the main bedroom. This was the lounge, right? The sitting area where you watch your TV and the rest. You can see the mouse there. But what we're going to do is we're going to convert this lounge into a bedroom, and I'll tell you how. This space here was leading on to the other side. We're going to put bricks here so that here will be one family. We'll rent it out to one family. This is traditionally the main bedroom of this house. What we're going to, and it's an ensuite. What we're going to do is that on this wall, we're going to break this wall out, open it up, so that here now becomes the lounge. Why are we doing it this way? Why are we making the lounge a bedroom and the bedroom a lounge? Because this is a no-brainer. Ensuite with bath, toilet, shower, proper ensuite. So what we're going to do now is that here we'll put a door here, and this becomes the sitting area. This becomes your lounge. This place we're going to try and put a kitchen here, and therefore you have an open plan property. On the other side, this side here, right, it's a full 2-bedroom, right? Like if you walk through the bedroom. So here what we're going to do basically is to clean up, repaint the place, put the bathroom, the tiles, put a nice tiles in the bathroom, and rip off the carpets. This carpet is ugly, so I'll just take off the carpet. The wall painting is a mess. Try and put a natural wall paint that people, it's easy on the eye. This is rental. Fix things properly. So basically that's what we're doing. The same applies to the other room. So here then becomes, traditionally it was a dining area, so it becomes your dining area. You've got a small piece room there that you can do whether it becomes a storeroom, but I know that my previous tenants were already using this place as a bedroom for the 2 kids. So hopefully the person that comes in will continue like that, or they keep it whichever way they want to do with it. But all we want is to separate this property. The kitchen is fine. What we're going to do, we're going to redo, fasten things here, put the door, redo the kitchen, clean it up nicely. That's what we're going to do. Just basically it, just doors that's hanging, just fix things, and therefore so that the door can close properly. And this beautiful feature here, what I want to do is to keep it like that, make the place nice, paint it up nicely, and keep it. It becomes an entertainment area. Maybe the guys can put a pool board here, play snooker, and that's your price stand there, just to make the place lively. Those are the kind of new features that we're going to put in just to make people live large and live comfortably. Once we've done with this project, it's going to cost us 80,000 rent, and when we're done, our total rental should be sitting at 17,500.
Be a legacy builder. Watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe.